Best car body side moldings protect doors from dents, scratches, and enhance vehicle aesthetics, adding durability and style. My today's video is about top 5 best car body side moldings that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cowles Premium Universal Body Molding. Cowles Products Premium Body Molding is a must-have upgrade for any car, truck, or SUV, combining style, protection, and durability. Crafted to enhance your vehicle's appearance, this professional-grade molding adds a sleek, polished look while effectively guarding against minor dents, scratches, and everyday wear. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, allowing you to quickly transform your vehicle without professional help. The customizable length feature ensures a perfect fit for any vehicle, as the molding can be trimmed to match your exact specifications. Thanks to high-quality 3M tape, it adheres securely, offering long-lasting reliability and peace of mind. Beyond aesthetics, it acts as a protective barrier, maintaining your vehicle's exterior condition and value. Whether you're looking to elevate style, prevent damage, or enjoy both, Cowles Body Molding delivers a seamless blend of function and elegance, making it an essential accessory for vehicle owners seeking quality, convenience, and a refined finish. Now our second product is Primadura Rear Tailgate Molding Cap Spoiler. The Dodge Ram tailgate cover is a perfect combination of style, durability, and protection for 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. Designed as a direct replacement, it matches the original trim's fit, function, and appearance, making installation effortless without any modifications. Its unique design not only enhances the truck's look but also protects the tailgate from everyday wear, dents, and scratches, extending the vehicle's lifespan. Crafted from heavy-duty polypropylene, PP, the molding features a thickened material density and a micro-textured surface that resists abrasions, surface deformation, and extreme temperatures while remaining flexible for long-term durability. The factory close fit ensures smooth edges and tight tolerance, providing ultimate protection for the top edge of your truck bed against minor damage. This tailgate cover offers both aesthetic appeal and functional reliability, making it an essential accessory for Dodge Ram owners seeking to safeguard their investment while elevating their truck style and resilience. Our third product is Nanch 16-foot Chrome Silver Automotive Car Exterior. The Nanch Glossy Black Trim Strip is a versatile and durable solution for both automotive and household decoration. Made from high-quality soft PVC with a self-adhesive backing, it is flexible, easy to cut, and adapts perfectly to curves and surfaces of any shape. This 16-foot trim is universally compatible, making it ideal for cars, trucks, and even home applications such as walls, window frames, or backsplash tiles. In vehicles, it enhances both exterior and interior aesthetics, fitting seamlessly on bumpers, grills, roofs, windows, bonnets, tailgates, mirrors, dashboards, and more. Installation is effortless, simply peel and stick, with no drilling required, and the included adhesive promoter ensures strong adhesion on tricky surfaces. Combining functionality and style, this trim not only decorates but also protects edges from minor scratches and wear. With its sleek glossy black finish, NANSH trim adds a modern, polished look while offering long-lasting durability for all your decorative needs. Now number 4, Kvil 1-inch Black Vinyl Trim Molding. The RV vinyl trim inserts are an essential upgrade for maintaining and protecting your RV's exterior. Designed to replace cracked or damaged trim, these inserts prevent rainwater from seeping into the RV and shield exterior screws from rust and corrosion, extending the lifespan of your RV shell. Measuring 1 inch wide, the vinyl recessed strips are versatile and fit most RVs, available in various sizes to meet replacement needs. Constructed from thick, UV-resistant vinyl, they are built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, ensuring durability even during extended camping trips. Beyond protection, these trim inserts elevate the visual appeal of your RV, giving it a sleek, refreshed look. Installation is straightforward, simply unscrew the old trim, remove it, slide the new insert into place, and secure it with screws. With this easy process, your RV not only looks better but is also safeguarded against the elements, making these trim inserts both functional and stylish. And our last choice is All Fit Automotive Replacement SB. The Precision Fit Chrome Body Side Molding for Square Body Chevy and GMC pickups is a perfect blend of style, protection, and durability. Specifically designed for Chevrolet K10, K20, K30, V10, C10, C20, C30, Suburban, and 1973 to 1987 Chevy trucks, it delivers an OEM-style finish that enhances both the look and value of your vehicle. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a sleek chrome finish, this molding not only elevates aesthetics but also protects doors and panels from dings, scratches, and minor impacts. Installation is effortless thanks to the included high-strength 3M car tape, no drilling required, ensuring a secure, long-lasting hold. The generous 26-foot length provides full coverage, easily trimmed to fit your truck perfectly. Proudly made in the USA, this side molding kit guarantees OEM-grade quality, durability, and a flawless finish. Ideal for truck enthusiasts seeking a reliable, stylish upgrade, it combines protection and elegance in one complete package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.